ES412 designed for stubble short hair maintenance, both men and women, intimate and sensitive area shaver, not meant for long hair. Not meant for long hair. ES412 is the finishing shaver, it will not cut hair longer than stubble. Either blade shave first or purchase a Model Cleancut PS335. The Model ES412 Cleancut shaver has the distinction of being the first, and still best, personal pubic shaver on the market. The ES412 has been made by the same manufacturer for many years, decades, and is still made in Japan, where quality and workmanship are considered high art. The business end of the ES412 consists of the slotted foil, the interior rotating blade assembly and the motor that turns the blade assembly. Top reviews from the United States. Hairless Wonder. Explosive comments. I like my husband to have his private parts shaved as he does with me, and this shaver certainly worked well. He used this to shave his penis scrotum and around his tummy and top of his legs, and wow, did this work well.